Your question here is asking, after really you can get sales, the last two sentences, you're reading that, right? Can you please explain? You have doubts. Now, here's the thing. Do I look like Oracle to you? Do I look like, a fortune teller to you? I'm not. But here's the thing. I've been running ads on Facebook for the past 11, 12 years now. If you know what you're doing, if you know how to analyze, I would say most of the time, if you run ads on Facebook, it works. It would definitely get you the result. But then again, it will get you sale, but of course you need to analyze whether you're actually earning money from that. A lot of people, before they start advertising on Facebook, they always have this doubt whether, am I going to get result? How much should I spend? What kind of cost per click or whatnot should I be expecting? How should I set expectation? You see, very simple. I wouldn't know how much can you make without you start spending money and start making the first sale. Very simple. A lot of people ask me, how much should I spend? Spend at the level that you're comfortable. Like here, chemistry shop is looking to spend $20 a day. Fine. Start with that. And then we analyze the data as they come in. So, let's say whether you spend $20 a day, and maybe on the first day itself, you got one sale. Then second day, you get one sale. And the third day, you got one sale. So on average, your cost per conversion or cost per purchase is about $20. Now, when we have that kind of benchmark, then we will go back to the revenue and the profit side to see, we are spending $20 to get maybe like $100 back in sales. Then, okay, it seems to be making money because it's 20%. Now, the next step is then we will look at, if we spend more money, are we going to get more result kind of thing? So start first. Then only you analyze the result. We can't answer questions that haven't started yet. I can't know whether later on when I actually watch this thing, what's going to happen. When I do this thing, what's going to happen. We are not fortune teller. And a lot of times, you are really looking for something that people will give you that, it's going to work. Go and run it. So yes, you know what? Chemistry shop, I think let's start this. As long as you're comfortable with the cost that you're spending, let's start this and see how are we getting from this.